On this fateful day, I went to kindergarten to pick Bianca as usual. I got there and I saw her hair was full of sand. I asked her what happened and she said she fell from the swing and where they are playing is full of sand. So that's why the sand entered her hair. Like it was as if she packed the sand inside. I tried to dust the sand out, but it didn't work out. So there is nothing else I could do except to lose the hair and remake it again. And the next day she'll be going to kindergarten. So I had to look for easy hairstyle to style her. So I just wanted to sit back, see how I'm going to style this hairstyle for her. Hello, I welcome back again to my channel. If it's your first time coming across my channel, thank you for stopping by. And my name is Susan, a mom of four girls, and welcome to Little Crown and Style. So first thing first, before I start making my kids hair, I always moisturize it and I always spray it. So sometimes I do it behind the camera, sometimes I do it in the front of the camera. So after doing all that, I have to section the hair from this edge of her hair to the other side, which is this the way I'm just doing it now, just like so. So I needed a very easy hairstyle to style her because the next day she will be going back to kindergarten, because today is on Wednesday and it's almost evening and her sisters, they will soon be back from school. I had to just do something very easy so that I can go and prepare something for the sisters before they came back from school. And her sister, which is the baby, she's also sleeping. So I had to okay, let me quickly just do her easy hairstyle so that I can save time for myself. I can be able to take care of her sisters. So I just decided to make this very easy hairstyle for her. This style is not hard at all and it's not much. I just made it very big. So this one I make here now, although when I was weaving it, my hand was kind of paining me. Maybe because I've already stressed for the day, because today that I made the hair, I was not ready to make this hair at all. Like I didn't prepare myself to make hair, but me getting to kindergarten, I saw that my daughter hair was rough, and because I don't like it, so I tried my best to dust the sand out from her hair, but it didn't work. So the only way for me to do it is just to wash the hair. So that is what I did. And when I was before what I did is when I was undoing the hair, I keep combing it. When I lose one, I will comb it. When I lose the other one, I will comb it, just to make sure the sand don't stay in. Because if I lose it like that without combing it out, as I'm doing it right now, you could be seeing the sand in there. The sand was really much. And yeah, that was the reason why I just choose this easy hairstyle. And I'm glad I did, because it really worked out for me. So this hairstyle didn't take me more than 30 minutes. It did take me more than 30 minutes. I always have the extension I use. I always have it already. I didn't want to add extension before, but she kept crying that, "Mommy, please just add something for me." And I know her. If you don't add hair to her, like she wants her hair to be long and all that, she will just do something that will make you lose the hair, on time, and make her another one. So to avoid that, I just decided to just had hair after I finished. So, and I was not having black hair extension braid at home. I was only having blue. And she just said, "Mommy, yeah, I even like blue, add it to it." So that was why you see that I'm supposed to add the hair before I finish it, maybe around this area before I got to the end of the hair. I would have added the hair to it, but because I was not ready to do that, that was why I didn't add it to it. And I just added to the almost at the middle of the hair. The reason why I just said, okay, maybe I will just, before I lose the hair, I can just take off the braid, the session braid later, And yeah, but after I started the hair, I saw that the hair was so beautiful. The way I coiled the hair. So after I said, "No, I don't need to take out this hair. Let me just leave it for her." You see the way I section it, when I just line it from this side to the other side. So this side is not long because it's short. I'm going to hand everything down there. So, and this side is more shorter. So I also kind of make this one a little bit big, but not that big as the first one. So the same thing, I just roll it down to meet the other one. So this is how we are just going to continue the style until I'm done. But what I did at the middle, I just decided to just choose rubber band to do it. Just keep watching to see the way I finish this hair and to see how the style turned out to be. So another thing is, after I section the hair, I showed the channel jam I use the sorry the hedge control that I use for this hair. Like I said, I'll be using that one for now, and it's really working out for me. I decided to just stick to it for a while because like I said, the cup is bigger and the amount is the same thing, and the not just the cup is bigger, the product is also working well. You see, I'm using it on my daughter's hair. You see, um it came out so well. So I said, okay, what is the need of me buying the other one when they are giving me the same thing and this one is bigger? So that is why for now I am sticking to this one I'm using right now. So the edge control you decide to use is optional. Okay, do what is best for you. So I'm just telling you what I'm using because I always use different products, and in case the one I'm using is not available, so that I can be able to have another one I'll follow on to. So that is why I like to change, to try different products. So you see the second one I also made now, it's also the same thing. It's just big and also long. So what I decided to do, I decided to do this tiny one inside, not to just make all of them big, which is from that side. So I decided to just make one tiny one inside. So, but if you don't like to do the tiny one, do you just do what is best
just
for
do
you,
it.
what you feel like, and it's okay.
Yeah,
and the other
for your
side
child.
also is big. So I just make the part. Is it part? What am I saying right now? Is it part or yeah? I just make the hair. Yeah, I made the hair big, but really, I really love the style. I love the way I weave it and all that, and yeah, if you also want to make yours a bit tinier, okay, just do what is good for you, what you feel like, you know and yeah. So this hair did not take me long time to finish because as long as I give her something to wash, like give her tablet, she will stay calm for me to wash. Though she always asks me, are we not done, you're taking too long and all that. Even if you're just packing her hair, like even if you are just when I wash their hair, if you the beginning of this video, you see the picture that flashed in is how I normally do after I wash their hair. I will just weave, either weave or twist their hair, like moisturize it, twist it, which I will be dropping the video soon about what I'm talking about now. This is how I normally prepare their hair. I have one video of it before in my channel, but that is long time ago. So I think, yeah, it's really long. So, but I will be dropping a video of it again. Yeah, I think it will be two of them. The one for Bianca and for Diamond. How I was moisturizing their hair. You can do it without how do I say it? Without conditioner? Yeah, without moisturizing. Yeah. So now we are done with the weaving. You see, the remaining part there, I am just using a rubber band, black rubber band to hold it. So the first one, I pack it, then I put, when I line the second one, I just cut it into two. I put the hair inside the middle, I cover it, and I use a rubber band to hold it. So this is how I do it until we get to the end. So the end, I think I weave the hair into three or two, like the remaining part. Just keep following my hand and see how we end up making the hair. So the reason why I always when I want to put the hair in the middle, I always kind of pack the hair first before I put the one I'm bringing adding to it. It will secure the hair. The hair will be tight enough and the hair will not be painful. So these are the things I was preventing. That is why I do it that way. So we are done. See how it looks. If you just count this line, it's just 2 4 6. Then the one I use rubber band made it 7. It's so easy. So because she stay calm, the hair didn't take me up to 30 minutes before I finish it. So the reason why it even took me up to that time is because of the coiling I did. So I think you will be faster, or me, I will be faster. Depends on your child, how patient your child can be, and how fast you can also be. So yeah. So after that, I just this you see where I started adding the blue hair. Yeah, this way I started adding it. I corrode everything to half. I left it. Then this is the one I pack, which is the one I use rubber band to do. So I think I do it into two. Yeah, it's into two. I just weave it. I added the hair to it, and yeah, that was it. I comb it. So, and I hope you like this video. My channel subscriber, thank you so much for your endless support. I really appreciate you all for your support. So see the way I do it, and yeah, let me just quiet for now and allow you to watch the remaining part of the video, or if there's anything I need to explain, I will be back. Okay, I thought I'm not coming back, but yeah, I am. So it was when I was rolling the hair, she was really excited because she liked long coiled hair. After I roll it this way, I just put it in the hot water and I roll it. After I dried it, the same time I did not even wait. I was rushing because this the sisters that will soon be back from school, and I couldn't wait for the hair to dry before I spray it. So what I'm supposed to do after I spray this spraying gel right now, I supposed to wait, let everything dry together, you know, so that when it come out, it will be still coil but strong. Like it will come out strong. But because I was rushing, I was rushing to just finish it and go do something, it's still coil. But it was not strong. You understand what I'm trying to say? So in case you are doing yours and you are not rushing, when you spray it, please just allow the hair to dry completely. So that is why the hair fall out on time. Like, how do I say it? The coil. So they don't fall, it did not last the way I wanted it, or I expected it to last, because I couldn't wait to for the hair to dry before I lose the hair. You see, she came out so well anyway. She came out so beautiful and she was so excited. And whenever I make my kids hair, what really excites me is the smile on their face afterwards. So tell me what you think about this hair. Thank you so much for watching.